Ukhisimuzo muhle nonyaka omusha. Morning guys, we are going to KZN today. I'm going home. I am a bit late this morning because I have a few things that I need to do, but I just wanted to come in to say we are going to KZN today. All right, so yeah, I think we'll meet when we are heading to the airport because I'm flying and we're gonna go to KZN. Let's do this. Hi guys, we are packed up and ready to go. Let's go to Richards Bay. Do I look like I'm going to a coastal town? I hope I do. I'm that child who waits until everyone is gone because my brother. So yeah, asilindeni ke bazalwane, asilindeni, but otherwise we are home. Khamke sendiza anibukeni laphi imoto igcwele. Ibhuthi yakho ngiyazi igcwele nje ikhwama. Ngiyaphila hlubu njani? Ngiyaphila bafethu, yasiya. How? Ngiyenzi ngiyangibona nje ngishilo uzofika ngo5.
Ngizaba buka ibhanoyi phezulu ngakuthi uzofika hayibo ibhanoyi.
Morning guys, sivukile. I'm about to get ready. We're about to get ready for town. Yeah, I don't even think I spoke to you guys yesterday when I got home. I was catching up with my brothers, but yeah, I'm awake now and I'm about to get ready for town to go meet up with my friend, and so that we can start preparing for the birthday party. It is actually Ume's birthday today, but the celebration is tomorrow. So yeah, that's what's up, and yeah, we'll catch up later. Yes. 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 Hi, Sunny Richards Bay at December. Now no mini. Yes, I'm going to start. What do you mean? Yes. Akaze nje ngisengibuka. Yes. Okay. Ooh. It's giving mama baba sekhaya. It's so gorgeous.
However, this name is a sekhaya.
Wazi walala umuntu.
Inkosi yamazi.
Bathroom is my baby. A number? Yes. Yes. Afana, yeah. All right. Yes. 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 Main suit. Oh, na lagne in suits na kon. Yeah. Yeah.
Your surprise is here.
Sothenga checkers. Sothenga eche. Yini? Oh, bese lo ice cream la. Kahle kahle. Ngiyasho ukuthi khona into esikhohlisayo. This is awukho. Oh yeah. What a busy day, but we conquered. I'm looking at myself in the mirror instead of looking at you guys. Yeah, maybe I should stand like this so that you know. So yeah, it's been a busy day. Like I said earlier on, it's my goddaughter's birthday today, Uminati, and we booked a guest house around Richards Bay. We checked in today on Friday. We're gonna check out on Sunday, and yeah, it's been a busy day of buying things. Now I'm gonna start marinating the meat and the balloons and all the good stuff. But I just thought, let me come in and keep you guys up to speed with what is going on, what is happening, and where I am. We still don't have chairs. We still don't have a table. Event planning when I catch you. Yeah, but yeah, we have all the good stuff. We're now doing the party packs, printed out stickers. We're preparing the party packs, and the ball is rolling. The ball is rolling. Now it's currently 9:30 in the evening. Yes, the entire time I was looking at myself in the mirror. Into ngiyaglow. So even I am looking at myself to say, "Hi, girl, what's a glow?" It's a new hair for me. Yeah. Hayi ngaze
Siyawumele sibhalanse.
ngeke ukhohlwe.
Hayi ngoba ukhohlwe shema unengqonqo. Niwendani?
Oh, nimeshile naze nabahle bobe.
I-project lena sifuku umsamthane nawo bomthengelini.
Lily, yes, ama twins.
Baziba bahle yazi. Bengisele futhi usho.
Not us getting the tables and the chairs we initially wanted. What? I'm so excited. I am so excited. Kuyahlangana. Things are coming together. We've got the tables, we've got the chairs, we've got the backdrop board. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a candy cut, but we'll see. We'll work our magic. We'll work our magic, and yeah, the party is starting. The party is going on. The party is on. I'm so excited. Yeah, guys. Okay, I might not speak to you throughout the day, but I just wanted to come in this morning. It's a Saturday to say the party iyenzeka ikhona on. We are doing it, and let's get ready. Let's get ready and let's host yet another party. For this time, it's for my goddaughters. Aze nje ngawumama, 11-year-old yonke. All right, guys. See you later.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you take me, rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive.
I'm not the better girl, I'm the better girl's mom. I'm not the better girl, I'm the better girl's girl. What's the birthday, Umi? Are you enjoying your day? Yes. Yes.
I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la.
Nkosiyami, ngiyabonga kakhulu Nkansana. Fisa nje uNkulunkulu engathi angaqhubeka angenzele umusa ukuthi ngiqhubeke nale mpilo. Sekhule sangimisele ukukwenza. Sehlanganekile nani. Khulekela nje impilo enhle ende esazoqhubekela phambili nempumelelo.
Blow your Morning, guys. Morning. It is, what day is it today? Is it Wednesday? But yeah, it's a few days since I've been home. And today we are going to fetch my nephew from my mother's house. And I thought, let me use this opportunity to open this vlog and officially open the at home Ekaya vlog. So yeah, that's what's up today. We're going to fetch him, and I know that with him being around, he's gonna keep me busy, he's gonna keep us busy. So it's a great opportunity to also open this vlog, because I've been resting in the past, I think 3 days. Yeah, for the past 3 days I've just been resting, but now we are back, we are working, and we are vlogging. So yeah, let's get ready and fetch Queen. Inyama lesale emotweni eyithanda kanje inyama bekhathele ekusiza khona akushisa. Friday morning siya empangeni ukuyothengela ingane izinto zikaKhisimuzi. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. I just realized that as I didn't bring clothes. I didn't bring clothes, so yeah, maybe I'll pick 1 or 2 things from Mr. Price. You? Yena driver wayefunde oh wayephambili ngesikhathi.
Hayi namanje seqinile futhi ama-vlogs yena oqala kuwo. Kodwa la ma-vlogs ayisakhulu
yaze questionable vlogging yami, but it is a Sunday. We are going to church. We are a bit late, but we are going to the house of the Lord. So let's go to church. I'm going to drive away. Asambe bowengani. Bazalwane, morning. It is the 23rd. Yeah, it's on the 23rd in the morning. Let's go Christmas shopping. I haven't been to town since I've just been lazing around and enjoying being home. But yeah, obviously we need to go to town. So yeah, let's go to town and be fabulous and do this Christmas shopping part 1, because I think I might need to go back tomorrow morning as well to grab like fresh stuff like your veggies and all of that. But for today, let's go buy what we need or what we can buy. Let's go.
Would pray on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in my eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
Hi guys, we are back from town and now we are going to the wedding. The way we are so late, but African time, my mom's cousin is getting married, so that's where we are going. I bought this dress the other day at Mr. Price, from Mr. Price. I had actually bought it for Christmas, but now it is coming in handy. I came with 2 suitcases, but I don't have clothes inside the suitcase. Angazi ngapakisha kanjani, but yeah, the way I also had no plans of driving, but now I found myself having to drive because my mom is not going and we're gonna need 2 cars. So my brother is gonna drive his, I'm gonna drive my mom's, and yeah, the whole family is going. So let's go to the wedding.
You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We try.
Yes, this is Swamdala. Yes.
Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one
uzodla iparishi kuqala. Yafuna qala udla iparishi
Sezohlala phela uzayiphe ushwazi la.
bese usudla iparishi ke later uzodla ama-cornflakes. Ama-cornflakes awasuthisi, kumele singane sigcwale sisu. Morning guys, it is a Merry Christmas on this side. I hope it is a Merry Christmas on your side as well. I'm coming in this morning just to wish you a beautiful and blessed Christmas day whenever you're gonna be seeing this. Yeah, but before that, ngifuna ukwenza breakfast for ingane. I'm gonna be making muesli and yogurt and some fruits, and then from there Christmas day vuliwe seqala. So Benifake mayonnaise kukho konke. Alright, futhi lamabheka wamakhulu. We are having burgers for brunch. It's another family Christmas tradition. We'll have brunch and have burgers. This is mine. Yeah, John. Saluk Zelu. Come to the end of our Christmas and at home vlog. I'm at the airport now. I was super late this morning. Literally, I arrived at boarding time, but luckily it's a small airport, so I was able to board. Now we're waiting. We're gonna go into the flight. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and say this won't cut me there, but I was still saying, yeah, we've come to the end of our vlog, and this is me vlogging in front of people. This is another level of boldness I've unlocked. But yeah, man, these people, they don't know me, and all they can do is look. And I'm just also just daring myself to vlog in front of people. But yeah, man, we have come to the end of our vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please share and leave a heart if you have watched up until, oh no, maybe leave a Christmas tree. Yes, leave a Christmas tree. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to